In this video, I'm going to show you how to use gift card in store. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. Using an e-gift card in store can vary slightly depending on the retailer, but the general process is usually straightforward. So first, before using your e-gift card, check any specific instructions provided by the retailer. So this can usually be found in the email or message containing your e-gift card. So some stores may require a physical copy of the gift card. So if this is the case, print out the e-gift card email or the attachment. Now, most retailers accept e-gift cards shown on your smartphone, so save the email, take a screenshot of the e-gift card code and PIN, or add it to a digital wallet if supported. Now go to the store where you want to use the e-gift card. When you're ready to pay, present the e-gift card code and PIN to the cashier. So this can be done by showing the printed copy or displaying the e-gift card on your phone. Now the cashier will enter the e-gift card information into their system and the balance will be applied to your purchase. So if your purchase exceeds the e-gift card balance, you will need to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. After using the e-gift card, make a note of the remaining balance for future use. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.